Your parents left the house and you found your mom's purple lightsaber inside a box in your parents' room and wondered why your dad was limping earlier in the morning.
Mr. Krabs, start digging in your butt.
You tell your mom and she asks if you knew what was inside. You said no. You grab the box and open it to get the toys inside. You saw a purple lightsaber, pink cuffs, and red rope. As you heard your parents' car horn outside, you quickly placed everything back to how you first saw it. She asks what else you saw. You say you saw another box labeled as Home Movies. It was a brown box, it was made of cardboard. It had a digital camera and 3 other SD cards labeled Invading the Trench, Black Tail Whack, and Interdimensional Rifts. Your dad hears this and explains they used to be actors and were stars in movies that had millions of viewers worldwide. Encapsulation is one of the 4 pillars of object-oriented programming that focuses on grouping all necessary properties and behaviors inside of a single object and how other parts of the program interacts with them. That object has attributes which are the variables holding the needed values. These are usually has the private modifier so they can only change inside the object. It has getters which are responsible for retrieving the stored values of the attributes. The setters which are for switching the stored values of the attributes. Both getters and setters have the public modifier so they can be accessed by other classes in the other program. We also have constructors, which are special methods that return nothing, but simplify the process of declaring another object by putting the values in the parameters during its declaration. This is completely optional as it is dependent on what your object is supposed to be or do. If we were to go back to the story, our main would go like this. We instantiate the box of toys and declare it. We make the variables and get each toy using the getters. Then, we can set it back during the setters. We then instantiate the box with the movies and declare it with values in the parameters. To check this, let's get the label of the box, then the color, get the name of the 3 SD cards, then the material it was made of, and that is encapsulation, explained through the lens of a poorly written story.